Eggs are one of the most complete and affordable foods in the world, packed with powerful nutrients that support the body in many ways. Simple in appearance, yet rich in value, eggs have been part of human diets for centuries and continue to play an important role in daily nutrition. Whether boiled, fried, scrambled, or baked, eggs offer both versatility and health benefits that make them a staple in kitchens everywhere. One of the greatest benefits of eggs is their high-quality protein content. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids the body needs to build and repair muscles, tissues, and cells. This makes eggs an excellent food for growing children, active adults, athletes, and anyone looking to maintain strength and energy. Eating eggs regularly helps support muscle recovery and keeps the body strong and balanced. Eggs are also a natural source of long-lasting energy. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps keep you full for longer and prevents sudden hunger cravings. This makes eggs an ideal breakfast food, helping improve focus and productivity throughout the day. Unlike sugary foods, eggs provide stable energy without sudden spikes or crashes. Another important benefit of eggs is their role in brain health. Eggs contain nutrients like choline, which supports memory, concentration, and overall brain function. Choline is especially important for children's development and for maintaining mental sharpness in adults. Regular egg consumption can help improve cognitive performance and support long-term brain health. Eggs also play a key role in maintaining healthy eyes. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and aging. These nutrients support clear vision and reduce the risk of eye-related problems over time. For skin, hair, and nails, eggs provide essential vitamins and minerals that support beauty from within. The protein and biotin in eggs help strengthen hair, improve skin texture, and promote healthy nail growth. Eggs also support collagen production, helping the skin remain firm and youthful. Eggs are widely used in everyday cooking and food preparation. They act as binding agents in baking, help thicken sauces, and add richness to meals. Eggs are used in cakes, breads, omelets, salads, and countless other dishes around the world. Their ability to enhance both flavor and texture make them an essential ingredient in many cuisines. Another major benefit of eggs is their role in weight management. Because eggs help control appetite and keep you satisfied, they reduce overeating and unnecessary snacking. This makes them a smart choice for people aiming to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. Eggs are also beneficial for bone health, as they contain vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium more effectively. Strong bones and teeth depend on proper vitamin D intake, making eggs a valuable addition to a balanced diet. In simple words, eggs are a powerful natural food that supports energy, strength, brain health, beauty, and overall wellness. Easy to prepare, affordable, and highly nutritious, eggs are a small food with big benefits, making them a perfect choice for everyday healthy living.